today we're summer in Canada, and today I'm going to do a puppet show of Mr. and Gabby. So it's very important because I have my passport and it says Gabby in it. And because I wanted to name the girl Gabby, it's just because I love when people are named Gabby. So let's start. Hello! Today hello, my name's Gabby. Where's Mr.? Mister? Okay, here I am. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. There. Go! And now I'm stuck again. Stuck again. Get in your job. Bye-bye. So, Mister, we'll talk to you a little. You guys know about respecting?
Yeah?
So, I have a little daughter that doesn't. Where is she? Pinky! Coming, Daddy. Oh, I fell. Here I am. Did you know about respecting? Yeah. Why don't you respect me? Dad! Okay. Bye. Where's my... Now I'm gonna get my baby. Here's my baby. His name is Bibi. And he's so special to me because, oh great, now, and me and Mr. are Dad and Mom now, and something, we also have another friend.